Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error, that is can't find the necessary file. Please check if you have permission to write to the installation folder. Now if you are receiving this error message when you try to update to Windows 11 using Windows 11 installation assistant. Now if this is not working, you can go ahead and to fix this you can go ahead and use media creation tool, and you can use this tool to update Windows 11, or you can go ahead and upgrade to Windows 11 using this tool. So you can go ahead and click on download tool now, and once the download is complete, run this exe file and then you will see this screen. So click on accept and then go ahead and click on next, and then you have to go ahead and select the option which says ISO file and then click on next, and you can go ahead and select the location where you want to go ahead and save the file. Click on save. Now let the process complete. So this process will take some time. Let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, you can click on finish and then come to the desktop. Over here you can see Windows file over here. So make a double click. Either you can make a right click then click on mount, or you can simply make a double click and then run this setup file. So make a double click on this setup file, click on yes to allow, and this will load media creation tool. Now over here you can go ahead and click on next, and this will go ahead and check for update. Let the process complete. Now click on accept, and again let the process complete. Now you can go ahead and click on install. Now over here you can see on this screen it says keep personal files and app, and this is checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so you can go ahead and click on install, and here you can see it's installing Windows 11, and you should not receive that error message anymore, and this will update Windows 11 on your computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.